Hello, hello, hello. Hey, what's going on? It's great to talk to you. My name is Carlos. Today we're going to talk about Holochain. Um, this is Bitcoin related, blockchain related, Ethereum related. However, it's not. Holochain is an alternative to blockchain. Holochain is not blockchain. Holochain's vision is based on promoting social interaction and participation. Holochain is an alternative to Bitcoin, truly decentralized, and the data is efficiently stored across the network with agents in the system. Holochain is a socially conscious project with a vision to enhance human interaction and be a more sustainable solution compared to traditional blockchain technologies. So here we have um, the distributed network. Um, the people on the network are called agents. Agents do not have to keep an entire copy of the blockchain. They're only responsible for their portion or their uh, blockchain. And if somebody needs data from another agent, they would just query it through the distributed hash table, which is this in the center. Redundancy is promoted across the network in case somebody goes offline. So Bitcoin has a scalability problem, and that's because the block size limit has created a bottleneck in the Bitcoin, resulting in increasing transaction fees and delayed processing of transactions that cannot be fit into a block. Bitcoin's energy usage. Um, Bitcoin's energy usage is huge. We can't afford to ignore it. Bitcoin's energy usage is enormous. In November, the power consumed by the entire Bitcoin network was estimated to be higher than the Republic of Ireland. Um, Now, if we look at a comparison, this is blockchain and this is holochain. For energy use, Bitcoin consumes more than 0.1% of the world's electricity to power less than 0.0001 of the world's money. So that is just incredible right there. On the other hand, since no mining is required, no specialized processes are needed, that makes it feasible to run full nodes on low power computers or cell phones. So you don't need, all this super computational power to do mining with Holochain. Looking at transaction volume, Bitcoin and Ethereum can only handle a handful of transactions per second. On the other hand, Holochain expects to surpass financial exchange backbones like the Visa network, which they have a maximum of 56,000 transactions per second. So that is amazing. What is Holo? Uh, and what is Holocoin? Holo is built on Holochain and can be considered like a decentralized AWS without the greed and world domination, of course. Anyone can be a host and purchase Holochain's proprietary hardware, which is called the Holoport. The Holocoin is called Holofuel and is the credit debit system between application providers and hosting. Um, how much fuel can one expect to earn from hosting? The amount of fuel a host earns is dependent on both the supply of the hosting infrastructure and the demand for it. While we can't predict what the variable rate will be, we can say that one's potential for earning Holo fuel is directly proportional to the capacity of device or devices you're employing to support the network. And here's the devices. You got the Holoport Nano, the 2 gigabyte, the 8 gigabyte, the 16 gigabyte. How can I mine Holo fuel? Well, of course, the answer to that is you can't. Mining is related to the traditional blockchain process, extremely inefficient. The the proof of work process. It's a big problem. So Holo actually is a coin, and right now you can trade it on Binance, and right now it's at 1/10 of a cent, so anybody can get in. That's gonna wrap it up for me. I hope you like this video. As you can see, this is a new emerging technology with some refreshing concepts and ideas. Until next time, farewell.